I should be on his butt right now. Get off the gas again. The cart is faster than mine. His cart should not be pulling. So much.